Stock splits can make a chart look broken if you don't know what you're seeing. TradingView marks every split on the chart so you know when exactly one happened and what the ratio was. Here's how to turn it on. Open any chart that has had a split. NVIDIA is a good example. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Settings on the bottom. Now, go to Events and tick the box next to Splits. If you want to look at dividends and earnings, you can tick those as well. Then click OK. Small markers now appear on the chart at every split date. They look like an S inside a circle positioned at the bottom of the chart. Hover over any marker to see the details. You can click on More NVIDIA Financials to get a better view. This will give you the date of the split and the ratio, for example, 4:1. Now, why does this really matter? Because when you look at a long-term chart, you might see Apple trading at $30 in 2014 and $230 today. Without context, this looks like a 7x, but Apple has split 4-for-1 since then, so the real move is bigger than the chart suggests if you're using the unadjusted view. By default, TradingView will show the split adjusted prices, so the historical data is rebased to reflect the splits. The markers are still useful though, because they show you when the splits actually happened and what they split for. These splits often coincide with major rallies. To turn off the adjustment and see historical prices, go to the same settings panel we went to and just click the symbol tab and toggle off adjust for splits. Most traders will leave this on, but it's there if you need it. Have a great day, guys.